Hey guys, my name is Holly. I'm one of the graduate assistants at the counseling office. And today for Take Care of Yourself Tuesday, we're going to be making Valentines. So February is also Love Your Body month. So we're also going to be making Valentines to ourselves because why not? So for today's Valentine's Day activity, some things that you might need are going to be maybe some paper. So got a few different colors here. But really you can use whatever you want. We've also got some markers and some pens. And then I also happen to have some stamps, just a couple little stamp pads. So just anything that you've got around your house that you want to make your cards with. And so you can make cards to anyone. So you can feel free to make several while you're at it. So let's get started. So I'm going to tilt this down so that you guys can see my work surface here. So I think I'm really feeling the pink today. So I think I'm going to use that one. And I am going to take this one and I'm just going to do a classic fold it in half kind of a situation here. Here's a classic card. I guess back in the day, we called this the hamburger way. So, if that's the way you want to do it, but you can do it however you want. So I've got my card here, and then I think I might layer some colors. So I'm going to take a piece of white paper, and I'm going to put it on top because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a pop-up because pop-ups are fun. So if anybody remembers this from elementary school, pretty simple, just like on the folded side, all you have to do is cut a couple little slits in there and then pop that forward and then fold that part in to make our little pop-up. And so I did not bring out my tape or my glue, so I'm gonna have to go get that here in a second. But what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to take this and fold it in half. And then I'm going to just place this piece on top so that you can't see where I cut out that space. But then we've still got, kind of still looks very crisp and clean and card-like on the top. Let's see, so I think since we're doing Valentine's Day kind of stuff, I think I'm going to make a heart. As my little pop-up. So I am just going to take a marker and I'm just going to make a heart shape and cut it out. So pretty simple. And let's see. There's my heart. No judging. It's probably not super symmetrical, but that's okay. So I'm just going to cut that out. And maybe I'll make some more of these. Let's see. So I'm just going to cut this out. This is actually really nice, just really easy evening activity. And one of the things I love about this kind of stuff is that it can be a gift. I think I like taking care of people. And so using this kind of stuff as to bring other people joy, but then also it can be something that brings you joy too at the same time, which is really cool. So let's see, what should I put on my heart? So, we could go with the classic Valentine's Day theme, but I think since it's Love My Body Month, or Love Myself, I'm gonna give myself some love here and just write on there things that, I appreciate. So you know what, like I am a pretty positive person, and I like that about myself. So I'm gonna say positive. Maybe I'll make some more. And so you can do this as much as you want, feel free to just keep going. Make it yours. And no judging on the symmetry of these hearts because they're not super symmetrical. I guess if you have like something to trace and make it more symmetrical, that's okay, I also don't think things have to be perfect like this. You know, it makes it look more homemade, obviously, if it's not. And we can do other things like, I like my hair. I do. That's something I like. Anyway, so I'm just gonna make some of these. And then, because I gotta still go get my glue and my tape, I'm just gonna end up putting them on here. And then I'm just gonna write a message. And you know, if you just want them as decorations, you know, you can just keep your hearts. But see, and then it just like pops up when you open the card. So again, this is something that you can use just to feel some creativity, to bring joy, to bring some love into your life, even in this crazy world that we are in. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do your classic Happy Valentines. Such a long word. Day. And then I think I saw that I have a little heart stamp, so I might use my stamp. Do some stamping. This really does take me back to like elementary school, but like in a good way, not in a weird way. And I've got my stamp, and then I'll just put some little hearts all around it. Let's see. And I'm sure you guys are way cooler than I am, and probably can come up with some good like puns or something. But I'm just going with the classic one for today. I'm sure surely the internet has a list of really cute Valentine's Day puns. So I'll have to look up some of those later. But in essence, here's just a quick Valentine's Day card. Again, I'm gonna have to go get my tape or my glue. Really, again, you can use whatever you want. And so I've got my Valentine's Day print, and then I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna end up, oh, I lost one of my hearts. There it is. I'm gonna stick my heart on here, and then just write a little message of hope and joy and love for this month. So thank you guys for joining, and I hope you have a great Tuesday, and see you next time. Bye.